Guys, that's the worst thing in the world you could possibly do. Here's why. They know you. They know you just got into real estate. They know you're not good at real estate. This is the most expensive decision they're ever going to make in their life financially is to buy and sell real estate. What's up, Real Estate Nation? Dwayne Richens, door-to-door realtor. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about one skill set that can make or break your career in real estate. What do you think that would be? If you had to go through all of the things you do, what is one skill set? It's hard to narrow it down to one, but I'm going to tell you what it is. It's learning how to acquire business. That meaning most real estate agents sit back and wait for business to come to them. You cannot do that. Out of all the brokerages out there that I've heard of, when new agents get into the business, the first thing they tell them is go get a list of all your sphere of influence, friends and family, and let's start calling them like crazy. Guys, that's the worst thing in the world you could possibly do. Here's why. They know you. They know you just got into real estate. They know you're not good at real estate. This is the most expensive decision they're ever going to make in their life financially is to buy and sell real estate. Why would they reach out to you as a brand new agent or as an agent that's not selling a lot of real estate and say, hey, can you help us? We know you're struggling. Guys, that is not where we need to be. We need to get out there and prove that we are killing it. I've got an agent in Indiana right now in our coaching program, brand new agent, closed 26 transactions so far this year. In the last 5 months he's been in our program. He's got 10 under contract. He said this last week on his coaching call, he's like, Dwayne, I'm posting left and right my success as soon as I put somebody under contract, as soon as I put a listing up, as soon as I have a closing. And he says people now at church are walking up to me going, William, what are you doing? Congratulations selling that house. Congratulations selling the ranch. Oh my gosh, you're killing it. And his name is blowing up all over the place. He's now becoming as the go-to real estate agent. Did he get that by reaching out to friends and family and saying, hey, can you please help me, buy or sell a house with me? Or do you know someone that could? No, he got it by getting out there, knocking doors, following the things that we're teaching him, asking the right questions, building a big real estate business, and then being able to take it to the next level. So let's dive in here. As we talk about the number one thing, it's prospecting. How many prospects should you be doing per week? 250. That's the bare minimum. Guys, if you knock 4 to 5 hours a day, you're going to hit 250. What in the world are you doing with your time? Most real estate agents, I swear, are part-time. I think they work 3 to 4 hours a day, or they show up at the office and spend 8 to 10 hours a day, but they only work 2 to 3 of it. Because most real estate agents are doing less than 5 contacts a day. A contact is saying, have you ever thought about buying, selling, or investing in real estate? Now, that being said, there's a big difference. When you get out there and you talk to 50 to 60 people per day, and you connect with them, and you have the right questions to ask them, and you've dialed in the art of your trade, and you have the experience and knowledge to be able to guide them through a process that's going to help them make one of the best decisions that they could ever make in their life. And I'm going to tell you right now, anybody out there that's a real estate agent knows right now is the very best time to buy. Yes, it may be a 7% interest rate and prices may be high, but what are they going to do in the future? Go up or down? This is a question I ask my clients all the time. And what do you think they respond with? Oh, prices are going to go up. Why do you think that? Guys, since 1991, we've gone up almost 300%. Over the last 5 years, we've gone up over 58%. Have we seen craziness in the last 5 years? Absolutely. Have we seen 8% interest rates? Yes, we have. So getting people to understand what the market's going to do, how it's going to do it, how much pent-up demand is waiting for interest rates to come down, what it's going to do to them as it does come down is essential. And that's what we've got to do in our real estate career. I had an agent reach out to me from Canada, and guy's an absolute stud. He role played with me on our last live on YouTube this last week. But he told me, I've been out knocking doors doing what you told me to do. And just off YouTube alone, I've picked up 2 deals and I've got a 3rd on the way, all simply by getting out there and getting in front of people. Now, prospecting is where you're going to find your gold. That is where you're going to connect with people. That's where you're going to start building relationships. Justin in our program is dumping a ton of people in front of him. He's connecting with them well. He's asking the right questions. And guess what? He's now got so many clients that he's working with, he's got to fine tune his systems. And that's going to be the next part of this. That's going to be most important thing you can do to build your real estate business that'll make or break it is number one, prospecting, and then two, figuring out how to handle the clients that are coming in. So you shouldn't be showing houses. You shouldn't be doing paperwork. You shouldn't be sending houses to your clients. You should have assistants doing all of those things for you to help you to where you can continue to acquire more clients. He called me the other day. He says, Dwayne, you had 40 under contract at one time. How in the world did you do it? And I walked him through all the systems. It's like it's no different than having 5 under contract and it has 40 because I have the systems in place to be able to scale it. And his answer back was, my next stop is 40 under contract. Guys, if you know how to get out there and print money, as I've told you countless times, to get in front of people, to find the prospects, to get them connected, to get them bought in on buying and selling real estate with you today, this is all you need to do, is then build a system around it. And the checks will just start coming in, closing after closing after closing. If you're not currently doing that, you need to reach out to us. You need to get some help. You need to get around those people that are, so we can show you how easy it is for you to build that next real estate empire in your town and become a top producer that everybody wants to use. Comment below, subscribe, share this with anybody. Make sure you get to our events. Jump on our website, reald2d.com. Guys, make sure you're not making the biggest mistake and you're putting the most important thing in real estate into play right now and you're mastering it. Look forward to hearing your comments. Love to hear what's been successful for you, what things you're struggling with, and how we can help you get to that next level. Thanks for watching, guys.